Hi, I'm Inan, and this is my Blue Stamp Milestone 2 video for my voice-controlled car project. So the second milestone has to do a lot with the digital side of it. And so as you can see here, this is the MIT App Inventor. And here I have some small icons that I just nabbed off of the internet for pairing my Bluetooth component on my car with my Android phone. This component right here, this button, this allows you to speak into it and it will recognize certain commands. And these spaces in between are labels for telling you when you're connected to the phone and that kind of stuff. So this is the designer section, and this is the block section, which basically handles the code. So, it has a bunch of fancy words, list picker elements, stuff like that. But essentially what it does is it just tells the designer portion of my app to change text. So for example, here, if the Bluetooth is connected, it'll say connected and the text color will be green. If it's not connected, the button will be set to false and the text will say not connected in red. And then it also has the speech recognizer component, which takes the words that you're speaking into the microphone and then turns them into recognizable text commands. And then some code for what to do with those commands, which is handled by the config of the Arduino app. As you can see here, there's some stuff for setting up the Bluetooth connection. And then way down here, so the command is set to recognize this empty string indicates that it'll be able to recognize the words that you're speaking into the microphone. So, if I say forward, then it moves forward. If I say backwards, then it moves backwards. There's also commands for left, right, and stop, and also a final command for word not recognized. So in case you happen to say something that that isn't one of the applicable commands, then every motor is set to low, meaning that the car simply won't do anything. And it will give you, this word not recognized thing on the app. And as you can see here, this is the app component of my project. So, this is the Android counterpart to the MIT Companion app, which is the app that I developed is now projected onto this Android. This top button allows me to connect to you see that line of code right there, that ESP32, that allows me to connect to the active device. It won't work right now because it's not plugged in. And this microphone button, once the ESP is plugged in, would allow me to speak, and then the ESP would react accordingly if the word is a recognized command. It's not paired up right now, but that would essentially be what I would be working on for my final milestone, as in the finish of my base project.